Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting class 3 science chapter 2 parts of a plant. So in this chapter we will study parts of a plant and their functions, and we will do question answers at the end. So don't forget to watch video till end. Saurabh wants to sow a seed. Encircle the things that are required for a plant to grow properly. So we can see we have this soil and digging the soil. So we need this for seed. We do not need this plate. We need the sun. We do not need bulb, and we need water. So we need these three things for plant to grow properly. So we have circle. Now the seed planted by Saurabh is now growing. Number its stages of growth in the correct order. So first of all we have this third picture. We have seed, and then second seedling, and third we can see small shoots above the soil and shoots in the leaves. So these are 4 pictures. Now we will see parts of a plant one by one. All living things have different body parts that perform different functions. We have body parts like eyes, nose, hands and legs. Some animals have special body parts. Animals like cows and deer have horns. Elephants have trunks. Similarly, plants have different parts which perform different functions. All these parts work together to help the plant live and grow. So जैसे कि हमारे different body parts होते हैं जो different फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं, वैसे ही प्लांट्स के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं जो डिफरेंट फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं. तो लेट अस सी वन बाय वन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. प्लांट्स हैव 2 मेन पार्ट्स, रूट एंड शूट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी रूट. द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट दैट ग्रोज अंडर द सॉइल इज कॉल्ड द रूट. सो अंडर द सॉइल जो पार्ट है उसको हम कहते हैं रूट. Shoot. The part of the plant that we see growing above the soil is called the shoot. As we can see in the picture, this is the part of the plant above the ground. This is shoot. The shoot of a plant includes the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruit. So we have flower, leaf, bud, fruit, stem, parts of shoot. So this part is called shoot. जो हम सॉइल के ऊपर देखते हैं वो shoot, और जो सॉइल के नीचे है वो है roots of plant. So let us see all the parts one by one. First of all we have root. The root is the part of the plant that grows under the soil and binds the plant to the soil firmly. There are 2 major types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Now first we see taproot. This type of root has main root from which many smaller side roots grow. As we can see in this picture, we have a main root and many side roots growing from it. So this taproot grows deep into the soil. Beans, peepal tree and mustard plants have taproots. Now next we have fibrous root. This type of root has a number of roots which arise from the base of the stem and spread within the soil. As we can see in the picture, these are fibrous root arising from the base of the stem. Example of fibrous root: rice, wheat and grass. These all have fibrous roots. So this is picture of fibrous root. Roots of most plants grow under the soil. However, there are some plants whose roots grow above the soil. Such roots are known as aerial roots. These are known as aerial roots. For example, banyan and mangrove trees have aerial roots, as we can see in this picture. Now we will see functions of roots. Roots के function क्या होते हैं? First of all, roots help plants to firmly attach to the soil. Without roots, plants will fall over. Second, roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. These are then sent to different parts of the plant through the stem. And third, roots of some plants store food which can be used by the plant. For example, carrot, radish and turnip, we can eat such roots. So these are eatable roots. Fourth, plants protect the soil. Roots bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. Therefore, we should plant as many trees as possible and prevent cutting of trees. So these are 4 functions of roots. A nursery is a place where plants are given suitable conditions so that they can grow into a healthy plants. You can see in the picture a nursery. Now we will see differences between taproot and fibrous root. Taproot has one main root, whereas fibrous root has no main root. Taproot has small thin roots grow from main root. Fibrous root has bushy roots grow from the base of the stem. Examples of taproot: beans, peepal tree and mustard plant. And examples of fibrous root are banana tree, coconut tree, wheat and grass. As we can see in this picture, bean is the example of taproot. We can see in the picture a main root and all the side roots are growing from it. And second, grass is fibrous root. All the roots are growing from base of the stem. Next part is shoot. The shoot is the visible part of a plant that grows above the ground. In our picture we can see this part which is above the ground is known as shoot. This is also shoot. The part which is below the ground is known as root, whereas the part which is above the ground is called as shoot. It bears the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. This part of the plant grows toward the sunlight. Now we will study next part, which is stem, and we will study functions of stems. So the stem is the main part of the shoot. Different plants have different types of stems. We can see in the picture. Trees like mango and banyan have thick and strong main stems. This type of stem is called the trunk, as we can see in this picture, first picture. Some plants like coriander have soft green stems. Some plants need support to stand upright and grow properly. These plants have weak and thin stems. For example, money plant, sweet pea and bitter gourd. Some underground stems store food. We eat these stems. For example, potato, turmeric and ginger are underground stems we eat. As we can see in the picture, we have this thick stem called trunk. Then we have soft stem of coriander. Money plant also have soft stems. And then a potato plant have stems which we eat. Next we have functions of stems. Stems support branches, leaves and other parts of the plant. They carry water and nutrients from roots to the various parts of the plant. The food made by leaves is distributed throughout the plant with the help of the stem. So these are functions of stem. Next part of plant is leaf. Leaves are called the kitchen or food factory of a plant because they prepare food for the plant using water, air and sunlight warmth. So leaf is called food factory of a plant because it prepares food for the plant. Observe a leaf closely. Each leaf has a flat, broad part called the lamina or leaf blade. In the center, it has a main vein from which many side veins arise. As we can see in the picture, we have a main vein and side veins. These veins carry water and food. Leaves contain tiny pores called stomata, which help the plant to breathe. Plants show a wide variety in shape, size, and type of leaves they wear. As we can see in the picture, parts of leaf, we have leaf blade, tip, main vein, and side veins. We can see various types of leaf: banana leaf, curry plant leaves, and cabbage leaves. So there are various types of leaves. The upper and lower sides of a leaf blade are slightly different in color. Take the correct answer. The upper/lower side is usually dark and smooth. So right answer is upper. Upper side is dark and smooth, whereas lower side is light in color and rough. Now let us see functions of leaves. Number 1. The most important function of a leaf is to make food for the plant. The process by which green plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. So leaf is called food factory because it makes food for the plant by the process photosynthesis. Second, while making food, leaves gives out a gas called oxygen. Oxygen is important for the survival of all living organisms. So we should plant more and more trees because they give us oxygen. Third, leaves also give out water present in plants in the form of water vapor. Fourth, in some plants which grow in deserts, leaves change into spines to conserve water. They also protect the plants from animals that try to eat them. For example, cactus. As we can see in this picture, leaves give out water. Water is absorbed by the roots like this. Water travels through the plant, through the stem, and then go to leaves. And then water evaporates from the surface of the leaf. So this is how leaves give out water. Fact is, leaves of a green plant have a green colored pigment called chlorophyll. Green color pigment, chlorophyll, it helps to trap the sunlight. Leaves make food in the presence of carbon dioxide, water absorbed from soil, and sunlight. So these are functions of leaves. Next, checkpoint 1. Fill in the blanks using the correct words. Roots bind plants to soil and prevent soil erosion. Some stems like potato store food. Each leaf has a flat, broad part called the lamina. Leaves have tiny pores called stomata. Leaves give out water present in plants in the form of water vapor. Dash is an example of a taproot. So, mustard is an example of a taproot. Now, let us see next part, flowers and fruits. Flowers are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. They grow from small buds on the stem. Flowers. Many flowers are used for decoration purposes. Some flowers like cauliflower and broccoli are eaten as vegetables. Some insects take nectar from flowers. Most flowers change into fruits. These flowers start as buds, open up and after a few days change into fruits. As we can see in this picture, a pomegranate plant with buds. Second, buds change into flowers, and then a pomegranate flower change into a pomegranate fruit. So a flower changing into a fruit. Now, name any two fruits that you like and why do you like them. So you can write name of any two fruits. I am writing mango and apple. And why do you like them? You can write your own reason. Now, functions of fruits. Most plants have edible fruits. We eat fruits such as mango, papaya and apple. Fruits contain seeds. The main function of the fruit is to protect the seed. So, function of fruit is to protect the seed. So, name two fruits with one seed. As you can see in the picture, we can write plum or peach or mango. They have one seed. Name two fruits with a few seeds. So apple and orange have few seeds. Now name two fruits with many seeds. We can see in the picture we have watermelon with many seeds and another is tomato which has many seeds. Papaya and muskmelon also have many seeds. Now let us move to another part of plant, that is seeds. Seeds are present in fruits. Seeds differ in shape and size depending upon the type of plant. There are some fruits with only one seed, for example peach. Some fruits have many seeds such as papaya, watermelon and tomato. A new plant grows from seeds. We eat seeds of a plant such as gram, wheat, corn, bean and rice. These seeds are known as edible seeds, जिनको हम खा सकते हैं. Some seeds are also used as spices such as cumin, mustard, black pepper and fenugreek. Spices add flavor to food. We see pictures of cumin seed, mustard seeds, black pepper seeds and fenugreek seeds. Name two non-edible seeds. So mango seeds and apple seeds are non-edible seeds. Now see germination, the process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling when given the right amount of warmth, air and water is known as germination. As we can see in the picture, seed is changing into plant when given right amount of light, air and water. So this is seed germination. Checkpoint 2, write T for true and F for false. Many flowers change into fruits, so it is true. So we write T for true. Fruits do not protect seeds. We know that fruit protects seeds, so this is false. All fruits have only one seed. So this is false because many fruits have two seeds or few seeds and many seeds. A seed requires only sunlight in order to grow into a plant. This is false because seed require warmth as well as water and air to grow into a plant. So this is false. Fifth, the process by which seeds grow into a plant is known as germination. This is true. Now, keywords we have studied so far. Tap roots, roots having a main root from which many smaller roots grow. Fibrous roots, roots that arise from the base stem and spread within the soil. Trunk, the main thick stem of the tree from which various branches grow. Lamina, the flat and broad part of a leaf. Veins, thin tube present in a leaf. Photosynthesis, the process by which a green plant uses the energy from the sunlight to produce its own food using carbon dioxide and water with the help of a green pigment chlorophyll present in the leaves. Chlorophyll, the green color pigment in leaves that traps the sunlight so that the plant can make its food using air, water, and sunlight. Germination, the process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling when given the right amount of warmth, air, and water. So these are keywords. Now summary. Plants have two main parts, root and shoot. There are two main types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. The shoot of a plant contains stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Seeds grow into plants through the process of germination. Now, objective type question. A. Tick the correct answer. This part of the plant remains underground. We have option root, shoot, branch, and bud. So, right option is root. Root is the part of the plant which remains underground. Second is this part of the plant bears leaves, branches, buds, flowers, and fruits. So options are root, stem, both root and stem, and none of these. So we know that B option is correct. Stem bears leaves, branches, bud, flower, and fruit. So stem is the correct answer. Third, this part of the plant has lamina. Options are flower, fruits, trunk, and leaf. So we know that leaf has lamina, so D is correct answer. Fourth, this part of the plant changes into a fruit. Options are leaf, stem, flower, and trunk. So we know that flower changes into a fruit. So C option, flower, is correct. In the process of germination, a dash grows into a plant. Leaf, flower, seed, branch. So option C is correct. Seed grows into a plant. Circle the odd one out. Give reasons. First, beans, grass, wheat, rice. Hint, type of a root. So we know that grass has fibrous root, whereas beans, wheat, and rice have taproot. So grass is odd one out. Second, mustard, coconut, banana, grass. Hint, type of root. So we know that grass has fibrous roots, whereas mustard, coconut, banana, these three have taproot. So grass is stomata, trunk, leaf, blades, veins. So parts of a leaf. So we have trunk is odd one out as it is not part of a leaf. Next, carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, dust. Hint, required for germination. So we know that dust is not required for germination, whereas carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight are required. So dust is odd one out. Next, mango, watermelon, papaya, and tomato. Hint, number of seeds. So we can say that mango has one seed, whereas watermelon, papaya, and tomato has many seeds. So mango is odd one out. Now we have read the clues and complete the crossword. So first of all, across the thick and strong stem of a tree. 4. So this is trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Number 6. The kitchen of plants. So leaf are called kitchen of plants. So we can write at number 6. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves are kitchen of plants. Down, number 1, the process by which a seed grows into a plant. So this is from up to down, germination. 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 Second, roots arising from the base of the stem and spreading within the soil. So these kind of roots are fibrous root. F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Third, tiny pores present on a leaf. So these are stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. Fifth, the part of the plant that changes into a fruit. So this is flower, Flower, flower. So now D, complete the concept map. Parts of a plant, we have two types, root and shoot. ROOT, root, SHOOT, shoot. Now root are two types, tap roots, TAP, tap, fibrous root, FIBROUS, fibrous roots. Shoot have four types, seed, 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 fruit, 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 FLOWER, flower, and LEAF, leaf. So shoot has these parts, seed, fruit, flower, and leaf. So next we have short answer question. Label the different parts of a plant and write one important function of each part. So first is A, flower. So function of flower is to change into fruit, or it is used for decoration also, and flowers are used to eat like broccoli, cauliflower, etc. Second, B part, this is bud. So bud is changed into flower and flower further changes into fruits. Next part is leaf, LEAF, leaf. Leaf, function of leaf is to prepare the food for a plant. This is also called food factory of a plant. D is stem, STEM, stem. Stem supports the plant. It also carries the nutrients to the various parts of the plant. E, we have roots. Roots hold the plant to the soil, to the ground. F part is fruit. Function of fruit is to protect seeds. Now next, second question, define chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the plant. Lamina. Lamina is the flat, broad part of leaf. Veins. Veins are thin tubes present in a leaf. Like we have main veins and side veins. Soil erosion. Damaging of topsoil by wind or rain is called soil erosion. Long answer question, distinguish between the types of root with examples. So we have two types of root, tap root and fibrous roots. Tap roots which has one main root, and examples are beans, peepal tree and mustard plant. And fibrous root has no main root. Examples are grass, banana tree, etc. Explain the function of a stem. Stem supports the plant and it also carries the nutrients to various parts of the plant. Why are leaves called the kitchen of a plant? Because leaves prepare food of a plant in the presence of chlorophyll. A small seed can germinate and give rise to a huge tree. Think and write a story of a seedling briefly describing all the phases it undergoes. So you can write a story of a tree, like it is first it is seed, then it get warmth, etc. It gets proper air, water, etc. and turns into a plant and then into a big tree. So friends, this is the end of the chapter, parts of a plant. If you like the video, then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.